Have you ever wondered how you can earn money while you're fast asleep? Welcome to the world of DeFi staking, a concept that's transforming the financial landscape. Imagine a system where you act as your own bank, and your funds don't just sit idly, they work as hard as you do. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the magic of decentralized finance, or DeFi, staking, and how it's making waves across the globe. At its core, DeFi staking allows you to earn rewards simply by holding cryptocurrencies in a wallet or a platform. Think of it as putting your savings in a high-yield account, but instead of a bank, it's based on a blockchain network. When you stake, you're essentially locking your crypto assets to support the network's operations, such as transaction validation. As a reward for your contribution, you're given additional tokens or coins over time. It's a win-win. The network thrives, and you profit. The beauty of DeFi staking lies in its accessibility and potential for high returns. Unlike traditional finance, there are no barriers like minimum deposits or geographical restrictions. Anyone with the internet and a crypto wallet can participate, and while it offers exciting opportunities, it's crucial to keep in mind the risks, such as the volatility of cryptocurrency prices and the potential for smart contract vulnerabilities. Always do thorough research, assess your risk tolerance, and diversify your portfolio. In conclusion, DeFi staking represents the revolutionary spirit of decentralization, a movement that empowers individuals with tools to manage their wealth independently. By understanding how it works, you open doors to passive income, liberated from the constraints of time and effort. So, while you lay down for the night, your investments continue to build a better financial future. If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalexnow.com.